Morning everyone, welcome back to the new video of English classes. I am your coach and I am here to tell you why English is very important nowadays. English has become a global language and it is a language of corporate sector. If you want to get a job in companies like MNC, so you need to learn English. You want to go for overseas studies, you need to learn English because you need to qualify language tests like ielts and TOEFL. ielts examination is a language test which gives you the bands. According to the band, you will get the universities where you can go and study. ielts is applicable for two countries basically, Canada and UK, England, and TOEFL is basically for two countries again, Australia and New Zealand. If we talk about the standards of IELTS and TOEFL, they have their own standards, but they usually check your speaking, listening, reading, etc. So if you are good in all these things, so you will get the bands above 7.5, which is very good for you. I have seen so many students, those who have got 8 bands in IELTS examination, and they have got admission in the Canadian public universities. Or if you want to get a job in MNC, so again you need to learn English, because if you really want to get a job, you want to earn good amount of salary, so English is a key to success. So let's start today's video with some amazing, interesting English vocabulary. First word for the day is anarchy. Absence of government or control. The country fell into a state of anarchy after the rebels kidnapped. Anecdote. A short account of a humorous. The old lady kept the motorcycle gang thoroughly amused. Anguish. Agonizing physical or mental pain. Teresa had been a nurse in the emergency room for 20 years. Next word, animosity, resentment, hostility. Lolu hates Eric so much that she would like to stuff him in a mail sack. Anomaly, an aberration. A snowy winter day is not an anomaly. Antecedent, someone or something that went before. Your parents and grandparents could be said to be your antecedents. Antipathy, a firm dislike. I feel antipathy towards bananas wrapped in ham. Antithesis, direct opposite. Apartheid, the abhorrent policy of racial segregation and oppression in the Republic of South Africa. So friends, we have done today's session of vocabulary. Now we'll go back to the basics. The basic is reading. You should read every day. You can read magazine, book, or English newspaper, English medium, basically. Because English newspaper really going to help you a lot to improve your confidence, your fluency as well. After that, you can jump into the listening exercise. Watch English media, listen English songs, watch English movies, whatever you like. But you need to consume more and more English as a listening, so that you can become aware about the English language. And finally, speaking. Speak with your friends, neighbor, those who can understand English. It will improve your English exercise. So that's all for today. I hope you will like the video of today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.